Are you interested in earning money online? Affiliate marketing might just be the perfect opportunity for you. In this video, we'll be diving into the world of affiliate marketing, providing you with a beginner's guide to earning online profits. So, let's get started. Affiliate marketing is essentially a partnership between a company and you, the affiliate marketer. The company pays you a commission for each customer you bring to them through your promotional efforts. It's a win-win situation. It allows you to earn money by promoting products or services that you love, while also helping businesses increase their sales. To get started, you need to find an affiliate program that suits your interests. Look for products or services that you're passionate about and believe in. Promoting something you genuinely enjoy will make the process much easier. Next, create quality content through various marketing channels such as a blog or social media platform. Share valuable information, provide relevant advice, and engage with your target audience. Building trust and credibility is crucial. The more people trust you, the more likely they are to click on your affiliate links. Once your audience starts clicking on your affiliate links and making purchases, you'll earn a commission. It's important to monitor your affiliate marketing efforts and adjust your strategy accordingly. Consistency, patience, and continuous learning are key to success in this field. Remember, affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and dedication. But, with the right mindset and strategy, it can be a highly lucrative venture. So, why not give it a try? Start your affiliate marketing journey today and unlock the potential for unlimited online profits. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips on affiliate marketing. We appreciate your support and look forward to helping you on your path to success.